Back to the next video. So today I will show you how to display a native view on Flutter. So suppose you have this video is for iOS. So suppose you have a UIKit view or a Swift UI view, you can use that and display it on your Flutter screen. So I will show this for UIKit view, as the documentation still shows for UIKit view. I'm not sure if it supports Swift UI or not, but it should be possible. So what you have to do is that the example which I'm going to show you is displaying a QR code. Okay, so what we will do is, first we will define this class seal QR view. Sorry, you can name it whatever you want. Next I need the text. Depending on the text we will display the QR code. Width and height is necessary for iOS, that's why I'm passing the width and height as well. So while using this you have to decide the width and height, and this is just basic code which I have copied from the documentation. Okay, the important thing for you is that the view type should be same. Okay, so view type, you can see that I have defined it as seal QR view. You can define it anything, it is a constant. That will help to recognize the native side which view to display if you have multiple native views in your Flutter project. Okay, next, to use it, all you have to do is use it like any other widget. Let me find it. Seal QR view. So in any of your stateless or stateful widget, I am just calling this. Okay, ignore the rest of the code for now. Okay, and here you can pass any text, whatever you want. Next, open your iOS project in Xcode. What you have to do is, first you have to go to your appdelegate.swift file. Inside that you will find this method did finish launching with options. Okay, what you have to do is, after this line you have to write this bunch of code. So this seal QR view should be the same constant which we have defined on the Dart side. This thing can be anything, but make sure this thing and this thing matches, provided this thing is in diamond operator as well. So you can just copy paste the code for now. So you just have to define this view. Okay, let me check if there is anything else. I don't think so. So yeah, that's it. You have to just define this thing. Now create one more Swift file called it's not this, it should be seal QR native view. Okay, create this file. Now first of all, I have copied most of this from the documentation, and next, defining the how to create a UI view, I have copied this code from Hacking with Swift. Okay, so you can just copy this code for now. What basically it is doing is that we have created a UI view, we are initializing this UI view. Next, we are getting all this value like text, width and height from the Dart side, then passing this to this particular function, and we have to define this like whatever we are returning from this particular class. Then inside this class, this is the actual code which helps you to generate not generate, so this is the code which will help you to generate the QR code, and this is the code which will help you to assign that QR code to your particular image view. And lastly, we are adding that image view inside our UI view. And there is one more boilerplate code which you have to write. So create this factory class as well, import it from everything from here. Like this is from the documentation itself, so you don't have to think much, like just copy paste this code. The only change you have to do is that replace whatever logic you have over sorry, not this class, this is different. Yeah, over here. So whatever you have, you can change it over here. See, like instead here you can create whatever you want. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.